too hot in LA right now to not have central air. Okay, stay hydrated. Drink some water. This is coffee, but drink some water. It's good for the soul. Okay, this is a pack with me video. So I'm packing for my Orlando trip. We're gone for 10 days. That's a while. Orlando has some very bipolar weather. It's hot, it's cold, it's rainy, it's muggy, it's dry, it's everything all mixed into one. We're gonna have to be very effective with how we pack. Let's get into it. I travel for work rather often, so I do have an order of operations and checklist for everything that I need to bring. The first priority is toiletries, underwear and socks, shirts, pants, jackets, pajamas. In the toiletry bag, I did just get this kit the other day because I ran out of all of my travel skincare, so I did get the Youth to the People. It's a morning and night routine. I have the puffy patches just in case. My skin is very temperamental to temperature changes, humidity changes, going in the airplane, all of that tends to make me break out. So I do try and stay as proactive and on top of my skincare while traveling. It is important for my physical appearance to give me confidence and feel good about myself walking into a situation, especially working with new clients, so that I can feel confident and project that into my workspace. A good tip is go to a department store and let them know you're looking for a new scent for yourself or your significant other, and let them know that you'd like a few samples. These sample size fragrances are really great to travel with because they're just small enough, you have options, and they're usually free. So I'm getting away with 2 travel scents from Celine that cost around $300 for the actual bottle, but I paid nothing and I'm gonna be able to smell nice and feel nice while traveling. Outside of that, we have a travel toothpaste, some deodorant, also eye drops. When we're tired or we get allergies, our eyes tend to look red, and I don't like when my eyes look red. And that is my toiletry bag. When it comes to underwear, a good rule of thumb, however many days you are going on your trip, pack 20% more. I'm going for 10 days. That means I'm gonna take 12 pairs of underwear. You never know. You might have what you thought was a fart and doesn't end up being a fart, and now you need an extra pair of underwear. So make sure you pack extra underwear and socks for those really shitty days. No pun intended. If you fold them in half and then roll them from the waistband out, you get like these cool little envelopes. Everything gets rolled. It's very Marie Kondo of me, and I will show you when we're packing the bag why this is important.
You can't out-finesse me, boy, come and test me. Bonafide mob, always smoking on the best weed. You can get a little, but I'm looking for that check, please. Yeah, I'm looking for that check, please.
Again, when I fold my clothes, shirts and everything, I fold like this, put the sleeve in, and then I roll down. All of my shirts will end up in these cool little shirt burritos. Something to keep in mind while packing, no matter what the weather is, if you think it's gonna be sunny skies every single day, all day long, pack a sweatshirt. It might get cold at night. Pack a raincoat. Nobody likes getting stuck in the rain.
Yeah, I'm looking for that check, please. Maybe some money will fix my bitch problem. Or maybe I should stop dropping honey on the...
Yes, we did end up packing the pants we had on, but look, if this isn't the most aesthetic packing ever. I've got 2 weeks worth of clothes here, and it's all laid out. I can see every single piece to make sure I have enough underwear, shirts, jackets, and everything before we go ahead and pack it into the suitcase. Big checked baggage like this. A lot of companies have one side that has these bungee system, and then there's another side that is a zip. For me, I like to put all of my smaller clothes on the zipped side, all my bigger things on the open side. So the bag is packed. Now you can see why I like to roll everything up. Every single garment that you saw out on the bed right there is now in this bag, invisible. The toiletries don't even have to come out of the bag. When you travel a lot for work, the last thing you want to do is be ripping clothes out. Every single pair of underwear I could reach. Literally every piece. You don't have to color coordinate it the same way I did, but you know, the ease of life. To open your suitcase and be like, ah, I want that shirt and those jeans and that pair of underwear and those socks. And then maybe I'll wear that coat over it without having to throw everything around and get all messy, and then you leave things in the hotel. This to me is the perfect pack. Side note, if you want to get a little extra with it, make sure you bring a laundry bag for your dirty clothes so you can keep your clean clothes and your dirty clothes separate. Pro tip right now that I'm gonna give you is dryer sheets. Throw 2 dryer sheets in your laundry bag and then just tuck one on each side of your suitcase so that you keep your bag fresh, you keep your clothes smelling fresh, your dirty laundry bag doesn't get too stanky while you're on the road. Definitely, another side note, get a little Ziploc bag for your toiletries and put anything that can open up so that it keeps your clothes safe from any spills. This is the packing style I use when I'm traveling for work for months at a time, and it has not proved me wrong. And just like that, y'all, we're packed and ready to go. I'm not gonna tell you how to pack your backpack. I think you can figure that part out. I would recommend getting you a suitcase that has a TSA lock on it, but for a checked luggage, these are some tips and tricks that I have learned and accumulated from friends while traveling and touring for work. I hope they have been able to help you out and make your life a little easier. Enjoy your travels, enjoy your business, and we'll talk soon. It's a beautiful day to be alive, y'all.